クリーンウォーターシステム浄水装置はですね、インドネシアを発端にですね、約20年前から取り組んでいるプロジェクトでして、ここ10年以上前からアフリカに向けてですね、もう発展させてきた装置です。この浄水装置はですね、ハイテクな装置を使っているわけではなくてですね、現地の方々ですとか水委員会のメンバーを構成してもらって、長い間メンテナンス維持管理してもらえるように工夫をしています。
Nairobi, the capital of Kenya. With a population of 4 million people, Nairobi is Kenya's biggest city. Its concentration of urban activity also makes it East Africa's most important economic hub. In contrast, let us look 400 kilometers to the west of Nairobi. In the villages around Lake Victoria, development of infrastructure lags. The people here still use river and lake water for drinking and daily use, resulting in serious sanitation and health problems.
We say actually being an underdeveloped country, we have quite a number of waterborne diseases, diarrhea, typhoid, bilharzia, and also literacy in understanding all those things. Therefore, it impacts on how to improve on the health status of the community.
Yamaha acted in response to an NGO's appeal. We installed a clean water supply system at a school in this village. The clean water provided with this water purification system has enhanced awareness of sanitation and improved people's lives by preventing epidemic diseases. At the same time, it has eased the task of drawing water, a burden borne mainly by women and children, so time can be used more effectively for education and other purposes.
クリーンウォーターシステムの導入によって新しくできた時間を教育やスポーツ活動に使っていただきたいなと、ヤマハ発動機としては今回ラグビー用品の寄贈を決めました。
The environment for running sports programs in Kenya poses many challenges in terms of economy and development. Yamaha decided to donate rugby gear and hold rugby clinics. Then we asked for the cooperation of Mr. Aizono from A&A, who is striving to raise the level of communities' sports industries.
この人たちちゃんとマネージャーとかトレーナーついたらえげつないことになるんじゃないかなと。コーチであったりいろんなテーピングであったり栄養のことの知識であったり、そういうのが揃うと多分ケニアアフリカって大化けするんだろうな。スポーツするとやっぱり汗かくし喉乾くじゃないですか。ヤマハさんの浄水装置できれいな水が飲めると、安心して飲めるっていうのがあると、スポーツで激しい運動した後にその心配をしないでいいっていうのが一つハードル下がるんで、今後は楽しみな授業じゃないかなとは思いますね。
A rugby school coach taking part in this clinic is a former top league player from Japan.
ポテンシャルはもうすごいと思うので、教える私としても教えがいがあるというか、すごい楽しいですね。ラグビーってポジションごとにいろいろ仕事の役割があって、よく言われるオールフォーワン、ワンフォーオール、一人がみんなのためにどれだけ体を張れるかというところはラグビーとしてはすごい大事なところですね。
Rugby is a sport where rules are crucial. The students learn not only the rules, but also group discipline and other aspects of social interaction while enjoying the activity as a sport. With the substantial amount of gear and the coaching they receive, we expect they will learn much and develop well.
I'm experienced and I played rugby. So before we could not play rugby because we never had the kits, we never had the uniforms, even the balls we never had. But because Yamaha donated some of these uniforms and balls, now we can start rugby because of Yamaha. So my purpose is to create teamwork among our students so that they get full knowledge on how to play rugby.
子どもたちが、美味しそうに、弾ける笑顔で水飲んでいただけると、すごく、嬉しいというか、本当にやっててよかったなというふうに感じます。スポーツして、水飲んで、それで本当に健康になっていただければすごく嬉しいなと思うとともに、夢を持ってラグビーとかスポーツに取り組んでもらえる人たち、子どもたちが一人でも増えれば本当に嬉しいっていう一言につきますね。はい。
This is a big, great improvement we will get. If we maintain to use this water, the diarrhea will not affect us. Infection from being made with water, Lake Victoria, we will not get now. We are coming to be healthy in the order for the place as water make people to be required.
For as long as possible, we aim to provide clean water and rugby balls to even more children in as many countries and regions as we can. Through this program, Yamaha hopes to convey to these children the enjoyment of rugby, the significance of teamwork and discipline, and the importance, the incalculable worth of delicious water after sports. And we hope to continue helping rev their hearts and bring greater abundance into their lives, turning clean water into smiles throughout the world.
Yamaha Clean Water!